Mommy, can you teach me how to cook stuff? I think I want to cook more.
Bakit? Gusto mo ba maging chef?
Opo. Chef girl, chef boy. Mommy, isn't chef a boy or a girl?
Pwedeng girl, pwedeng boy.
So like they're both the same.
Yes.
Except girl lives longer.
What do you mean?
Kasi dinender yung wife, yung daddy ni dad wala na first, but yung mommy ni daddy dito pa. So doesn't that mean ladies live more?
Hindi naman. Pwede. Depende.
Depende sa husband?
Depende sa tao. Sige na, i-mix mo na. Muntik man. Uy, wash your hands first muna. Wash your hands.
Put ko muna.
Just pour it, all. Mamaya mo na haluin. Mamaya mo na i-mix. Pour mo muna lahat.
7 minutes lang yan, disgusting. Ang ganyan ka everywhere.
No more? Meron pa?
When you pop it, does it give more?
Ay
I
na?
want it.
Oo. Okay. Mix it.
It's gonna take a long time. Maybe like 1 hour, then it's just done.
Ilagay sa ref para malamig. Sali na natin.
Will take like 1 hour.
What is that?
Is mango with jelly.
And sago.
Sago. I'm gonna taste it. It is fantastic. Very much.
Is it sweet or what?
Sweet,
A little bit.
sweet, and a little bit sugar. It's a little sugar.
Asim. Naasim? Kasi may mango.
Doesn't mango have sugar?
Yeah.
But healthy.
Yes.
What is the kind of sugar that is healthy, Ma?
Mm.
What's that?
Downstairs.